Hey friends, and welcome back to the Multifamily Review. I'm your host, Marcus Armstrong, and I am absolutely thrilled to be bringing you another deep dive into the world of, you guessed it, multifamily. Thank you for making this podcast a part of your lives. We really appreciate that here at the Multifamily Review. If you're just joining us, the Multifamily Review is the podcast dedicated to the folks who make the multifamily industry tick. The leasing agents, the maintenance crews, the property managers, and just about everyone else up the chain. We're here to talk about the challenges and the triumphs, the trends and the best practices, and everything else that impacts your day-to-day. Today, we're kicking things off with a topic that's not just flying under the radar, it's soaring above it. Artificial intelligence and technology in multifamily. It's not some futuristic sci-fi concept anymore. AI is making its way into all sectors of our industry. It's transforming how we do our jobs and how our residents experience the community. Now, before you picture a robot uprising taking over your leasing office, let's get real. AI in multifamily isn't about replacing people, it's about empowering them. It's about making operations smarter, residents happier, and yes, boosting that bottom line. We're going to break this down into a few key areas, so buckle up. First up, let's talk about where AI is already making waves. Think about your leasing process. How much time do your consultants spend answering the same basic questions? Enter the virtual leasing assistant. These AI-powered chatbots are on duty 24/7. Handling inquiries, scheduling tours, and even pre-qualifying leads. This frees up your human teams to focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals. And it's not just leasing. We're talking smart home technology. Think AI-powered thermostats learning resident preferences, smart locks for enhanced security, and even predictive maintenance. Imagine your maintenance team knowing where a water heater is about to fail and flood before it does that. That's the power of AI analyzing data from IoT sensors. We're also seeing a rise in personalized marketing efforts. AI tools are being implemented to target resident data and better tailor marketing campaigns. Let's not forget the growing demand for eco-friendly living. Millennials and Gen Z are increasingly environmentally conscious, and smart properties are responding. We're talking carbon offset programs, bike sharing, EV charging stations. AI can help optimize all of this, making your property more attractive to this crucial demographic. Did you know that a survey from Nielsen found that 75% of millennials are eco-conscious? So much so that to the point of changing their spending habits to favor environmentally friendly brands. Also, with everyone streaming and working from home, Wi-Fi is a must. It's not just a perk anymore, it's an expectation. According to the Zego report, 51% of residents have high expectations for Wi-Fi. With Parks and Associates reporting that 11% of multifamily residents have access to smart access control systems, it's easy to see how that is improving resident experience. App-based access solutions can boost rent 5% above average rental rates. And then there are self-guided tours, a huge game changer, making it possible for people to view apartments outside of regular working hours. One company who switched to self-guided tours boosted weekly tours by 60%. Now let's talk about the bottom line. How is AI helping multifamily operators run a tighter ship and improve profitability? Think about automated rent collection. AI can handle reminders, process payments, and even manage delinquencies. This improves cash flow and reduces the administrative burden on your team. And what about staffing? AI isn't about replacing your team, it's about making them more efficient. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up property managers to focus on resident relationships, problem solving, and strategic initiatives. This can lead to significant time savings. We're talking up to 10 hours per employee per week, according to some reports. AI adoption in multifamily can improve lead to move-in times and increase resident satisfaction. And it is even being used to reduce expenses. Think of AI-powered energy management systems that can optimize energy consumption, lowering utility costs and improving sustainability. AI can also help keep good residents around by providing personalized experiences and proactive maintenance, helping improve resident satisfaction and retention rates. And for after a resident leaves, AI can even help improve the turn process. AI tools can identify and address bottlenecks, allowing staff to ready vacant units faster and limit lost rental revenue from extended vacancies. We can't talk about data without talking about security. AI is playing a crucial role in protecting resident data and preventing fraud. Treasury management tools offer secure payment platforms, reducing the risk of data breaches. Okay, so we've established that AI is a powerful tool, but let's be clear, multifamily is and always will be a people business. The human touch is essential. The question is, how do we integrate AI without losing that personal connection? The key is to use AI to enhance the human element, not replace it. AI handles the repetitive task, freeing up your team to build relationships, foster community, and address resident concerns with a personal touch. But we do need to consider some challenges. According to the NMHC and 111 Advisors 2024 Multifamily Technology Benchmark Survey, say that 3 times fast, the top 3 barriers to effectively implementing new technology opportunities are: 1. Not having enough resources focused on innovation. 2. Adaptation to change by internal associates. And 3. Finding the right solutions to implement. We also must consider ethical implications. Certain states have different rules and regulations around tenant screening by AI solutions. It's important that you take these local rules into account. AI is going to reshape job roles, no doubt about it, but it's not about job losses, it's about upskilling and adaptation. Property managers will need to embrace new technologies and focus on the skills that AI can't replicate: empathy, problem solving, and building genuine connections. So, what does the future hold? Let's get a little speculative here. We're on the cusp of seeing generative AI take off. Imagine AI creating personalized marketing content, automating complex lease agreements, or even assisting with unit design. The possibilities are mind-boggling. And don't forget about the metaverse. Virtual and augmented reality could revolutionize property tours, allowing prospective residents to experience a unit from anywhere in the world. It could also create new ways for residents to connect and build community. The increasing integration of technology in real estate is set to continue, with the adoption of virtual reality and other immersive technologies to enhance property viewing experiences. Of course, with all of this data flying around, we need to be laser focused on data privacy and security. This is non-negotiable. We need industry-wide collaboration to ensure responsible AI adoption and protect resident information. We can expect investment in technology to continue. Real estate tech investment saw early signs of recovery in 2024, with inflation normalizing and interest rates beginning to be cut. Folks, the multifamily industry is changing fast. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's a present-day reality. It's a powerful tool that can help us create more efficient, sustainable, and resident-centric communities. But, and this is a big but, we need to embrace AI thoughtfully. We need to prioritize ethical considerations, data security, and most importantly, the human connection that makes multifamily living so special. That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to the Multifamily Review. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of multifamily. Until then, keep innovating, keep connecting, and keep making multifamily amazing. And if you have any thoughts, questions, or topics you would like to hear about on the show, reach out to us at research@jturnerresearch.com.